Exercise 1. Dumbbell front up shoulder. Keep wrists straight, core tight, and avoid shrugging so traps don't take over. Move slowly upward. Pause at the top for peak contraction, then lower under control for constant tension. This form isolates the front delts effectively while keeping the shoulder joint safe from strain. Exercise 2. Weighted front raise and round. Engages front delts through a lift and arc motion. Keep arms slightly bent, core braced, and avoid swinging. Maintain slow tempo for full tension. Prevent traps from assisting by keeping shoulders low. Ideal for improving shoulder endurance. Exercise 3. Dumbbell front and lateral raise. Works both front and side delts for balanced growth. Keep elbows soft, avoid jerks, and control tempo for tension. Use moderate weight to prevent trap dominance. Focus on smooth, deliberate motion both ways. This combination enhances shoulder width. Exercise 4. Landmine kneeling one-arm press. Hits front delts, triceps, and core stability. Keep torso upright, elbows slightly forward, and avoid leaning. Engage abs for stability. Lower slowly to keep tension. Builds powerful shoulders while training pressing strength and stability. Exercise 5. Barbell front raise. Targets front delts directly. Move slowly to avoid momentum and trap involvement. Engage core for stability. Hold briefly at top, then lower under control. Strict form maximizes front delt recruitment, promoting mass and definition while protecting joints. Exercise 6. Dumbbell one-arm shoulder press. Isolates each shoulder for balanced strength. Lower slowly for constant tension. Avoid locking out harshly to protect elbow joint. Unilateral press corrects imbalances, improves stability, and builds functional pressing power. Focus on smooth motion and control to keep anterior delts fully engaged throughout the lift's range of movement.